How to schedule TikTok posts in an easy step-by-step process. I am Lisa from Create Login Delete. After watching this video, if your problem is solved, make sure to like the video for algorithm and consider subscribing if you are new. Now let's jump into the process. First, you have to open your TikTok app. Here we go. Your profile appears at the top. You can see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it. Go to the option settings and privacy. Now over here you can see different options. Tap on the option manage account. Over here you can find this option of switch to business account. Firstly, you have to switch your TikTok account to business account. So tap on this option. Tap on next. Select the category. Here I will be selecting beauty. After you are done, tap on next. After you have switched your TikTok account to business account, just close it and then open your TikTok account in any of the browser. Here I will be opening Safari. Here we go. Here you can see this search bar. Type there tiktok.com/upload. Now here you have to log into your TikTok account. Here I will be logging into my TikTok account through Facebook. So I will be tapping on this option, continue with Facebook. Here you have to enter your Facebook account's password and then tap on continue. You have to give some verification over here. Verification completed. Over here you can select the file and then you can put some caption and select the cover. Here you can see this option of schedule video. You just have to turn on this and then you can easily select the date as well as time. In this way, you can easily schedule posts on TikTok. I hope now you guys are totally clear about how to schedule TikTok posts. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And please let us know in the comment section what video YouTube recommends you on the screen and I will see you there.